WhatsApp is rolling out a cool new feature that lets you save your own status updates directly to your camera roll without needing any third-party apps. If you love sharing photos or videos as your status, this update will make saving them super easy. Let's check it out. Previously, if you wanted to save your WhatsApp status videos or photos, you had to rely on third-party apps or screenshot tricks, but now WhatsApp is testing a new save option that lets you save your own status directly to your phone's gallery or camera roll just with a tap. So here's how to use it. Open WhatsApp and go to the Updates tab and then click on your status. Click on the three dots and now you can hit save and the status is saved. So if I go to my photos, you will see that saved my status update. No more complicated workarounds or extra apps needed, just simple built-in option. At the moment, the feature is rolling out to beta users and will be available to all users soon. If you don't see it, keep your app updated and stay tuned. What do you think about this handy update? Will you use it to save your status moments? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tech updates.